Yep.
Stay seated on one side, right?
Woohoo! Oh, cold water. Oh! Oh, my ass! My poor ass! Oh, it's hurting so much!
I got airtime.
Two.
Hey guys, how was it?
Awesome.
Nice.
Thanks. Oh, my poor ass. Whew.
Got off the ground.
I know, I landed on my tailbone. Oh.
Really, Mama?
Really mammoth. And then I get the soap.
Hit subscribe, hit that button down there. And if you hit subscribe and like the video, then maybe I'll stop singing. We'll never know unless you hit subscribe, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and maybe I'll stop singing. Let's find out if that works.